Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of TechAssist. Today's video is based on how to recover or restore all your deleted emails on Gmail account. Now in case if it happens that you deleted all your important mail, or if your account was hacked and that all your important files and folders or your emails were deleted, now there's a way to restore it. Watch the video till the end. So now first you need to go to your web browser or a Gmail account directly. On the web browser, on top there is search bar, type mail.google.com and I will leave the link on the description box. So as the main inbox page loads, now here as you can see that my inbox is completely empty, which means that all my emails are deleted. So in order to recover or restore them, so on top there is inbox. Now scroll down, so there you have bin, so tap on the bin. So as you tap on the bin, so here you can see that there are the list of email which are all deleted. Now in order to restore them, now go towards your left hand side corner and there is a box. So as you tap on the box, so all your emails are selected. So once you're done selecting all your deleted emails in order to recover them, so as you tap on it, there are a list of different folders. Now from here you need to select on any one of the folder in which you want to restore them. So as I want to restore them in inbox, so tap on inbox. So in order to check if it has been recovered or not, now you need to go towards your left hand side. Now tap on inbox and here you can see that before my inbox was completely empty. Here you can see that all my emails have been restored, and this is how you can restore or recover your deleted emails on Gmail account. And that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.